we will be filming the fire noodle challenge. So they said this is the spiciest noodles in the world. That's what
in the universe.
In the universe, whatever. A lot of you guys requested for us to do this, so here we are. I actually have done this video already before alone, so it was just me, and I think I did it like while answering you guys' questions. I'm not sure what are we gonna do.
Just eat it.
Just eat? Do you want to answer questions?
No.
Look at this. This is mine. We put all the packets. We didn't cheat. I'll show you guys a clip right now. But that's mine. It looks darker, mine. Looks like it's a bit strong. And then that's Danny Boy's. Look at his. Look at yours, babe. That's yours is lighter. Let's make this a challenge.
What's the challenge?
Maybe whoever finishes it first.
I'll finish that easy.
No, you can't, because you don't like, he hates spicy stuff. He can't eat spicy.
I'll finish that easy.
No, you can't. You can't even, no, I don't think you can, to be honest with you. It's really spicy. I like spicy food, and this one I didn't finish the last time I tried it.
Get a stopwatch and I'll see how quickly I can eat that.
Stopwatch? Can you get my phone? It's right there, please. Let's just answer questions while eating.
No.
So let's take our time. Sige na. Is that alright? No?
Okay, alright.
Sige, sige, sige. Let me post something on Instagram right now, and then let's wait. Okay, we got questions. Nag-post lang ako ng picture sa Instagram, and then we're back. So we will start eating. Do you think you will finish this?
Yeah.
The whole?
Yeah.
I don't think you can. But let's start with xteen.ca. So this is Christine, the girl we met in when I had my meet and greet something. She said...
Which girl is it? I said PCP.
Christine. Okay. Let's visit her profile. Her.
Ah, I remember her.
Ooh, she has gray hair. When is the meet and greet? When is the next meet and greet?
What, in Adelaide or?
Yeah. She's in Adelaide, so...
That's a question for you.
Why me?
No, you
organize the first one.
Yeah, you can organize the next one.
So nothing yet. No plans.
No.
Looks like he doesn't have any plans.
It's not my job to do it, it's your job.
No, it's not my job. I don't have a job.
Ready?
Okay.
Okay. It's hot.
I told you. And we can finish it.
I can finish it.
But.
I can finish it.
You can finish it? But don't make a hurry. We're fine. Woo! We're not supposed to drink. We failed already.
I don't care. I need a drink.
From Kim Iran _ Woo! For you and for me, how do you guys make up after a fight?
I'm kidding. She apologizes.
No.
You know, right? I apologizes.
You apologize as well. We'll both apologize. From Yuri _ Gonzalez 28, what's your favorite song? I don't really have a favorite song.
Mine is K-Sand, actually.
What's that?
It's an Australian one. K-Sand. I'm not singing it.
Sing it.
No.
Just whisper.
No, I'm not singing it.
Sing it now.
Jimmy Barnes or Cold Chisel? K-Sand.
K-San is
The Australians will know it. Sorry?
K-San is the title of the song?
Yeah.
This is a good lip tint. No, I don't have a favorite song. Oh my gosh, that's so spicy. I listened to Air Supply earlier, but like that's my all-time favorite song.
What's your favorite genre?
I don't even know that. What's your favorite genre then?
Hip hop.
Oh really? Okay. I don't see you liking that at all. Like yes. Woo! Did you guys fight? Like just now? Did you guys fight today? No.
Not so far. It's still early. We might.
Still in the middle of the day. We might fight tonight, but no. We haven't fought in a while actually, babe, right?
Not too long.
No, not. What do you mean? No, we don't really. Yeah, not too bad. From Lizette0704. When do you plan to have a baby? I love you both. Thank you, love you. Oh my god.
2000 and...
No! Are you serious?
Yeah, 2019.
Okay, he said it.
Yeah.
That's the plan though. We really do not know what's going to happen, but as of now, that's the plan. From Nina Metran, what did you discover about each other after getting married?
Nothing. Nothing's changed. Nothing has changed. Has it?
Well, you always say that I'm meaner now.
Oh, yeah. No, nothing's changed.
Nothing's changed. From Jen Esquadra. Jen, the girl we met in Melbourne. You guys are too cute for me. How do you maintain your weight? It seems like you can eat anything and not gain weight. I'm so jelly. I have to always work out what I eat.
Me too.
Maybe because, like, I'm born this way. Shut up, I'm born this way. No.
She doesn't eat a lot. You don't eat a lot.
No.
You don't eat a lot.
Ah, okay.
I finished.
You finished it? On a beat?
You suck.
Oh my god. You finished it. How's your tummy?
Good.
No, are you serious?
Yeah.
Your lips are orange.
That's alright.
From N. Irabella. Hi, askrhaze. Will you have a meet and greet in Manila?
Why are you pointing to me?
It's for us.
That's for you. No, we won't actually. No. Rhaze wants to do one at Cebu, but doesn't want to organise it, so...
I do not know how to organize it. That's actually a good one. Can I have one?
You gotta finish.
No, I can't finish this, babe. I didn't even finish the last one. I told you I can't.
Nah, you gotta finish.
Can I have some?
No.
Just a bite. This is really good. This is the frozen yogurt ice cream. It's yum. From Lucre Santin, what is your favorite racist expression of love?
When she cleans her house.
That's an expression of love?
That's an expression
No,
of love.
that's me being clean, not love at all for you.
That's mine. What's yours?
Nothing. You don't do anything for me.
No romance.
No romance from this one again. Take me to Kmart? Yeah.
Regularly?
Regularly, yes. But you don't really take me to Kmart though. I always have to say it for you to take me.
Next question.
So it's not your expression of... From Jen Eugenio, if ever you'll have a baby in the future, who will take care of the baby if both of you are working?
Me. I'll quit my job and Rhaze can go to work.
That's not how it works here.
That's what we do in Australia. The men look after the baby and the women go to work.
And then you will be homeschooling the kids?
I'll teach me everything I know.
He will teach them everything he knows? No, babe, answer this seriously. His mom. Who will take care of the baby? You, mom. No, childcare maybe.
Childcare, mum, and Rhaze.
And me.
You might not work every day.
I will be working part-time for sure if I have a baby. I would want to spend most of my time with my baby and not with my workmates. No offense, but like I love them. But
Hello, Konica.
Hi Jess. Hi Navenda. From Leah.Villanueva, have you think of any names for your future babies?
Yes.
No.
We won't tell them what the one we're thinking of. We'll tell them I like Hercules.
No way. We did agree to one already, but we're not gonna tell you what it is. It's a secret. Yeah, how about if it's a girl? Because we think we will have
We
a
don't
girl.
have girls. We have boys.
We only thought of boys' names.
Yeah.
We haven't thought of a name for a girl. Okay.
I don't have a question. I guess it's more of a challenge. Ask Dan to create a sentence using Aussie slang.
Take over that.
Oh God.
It's for you. It's an Aussie slang. It's not a Filipino slang.
It'd be like something corny like, "G'day mate, throw another shrimp on the barbie." But that's not even Aussie. That's like an American.
G'day, mate.
G'day copper.
G'day, mate. RDO. Radio.
Radio.
Radio. What else? Wait.
Heaps good. That's an Adelaide thing.
Yeah.
Heaps good.
Heaps good.
Heaps good here.
What else?
I don't know.
Is that a sentence? You're just like throwing out phrases.
That's what we do.
G'day, mate.
G'day, mate.
G'day, mate.
Sorry, CRMSS.
From Christelle Rem _ hello Ateres. If you will have babies in the future, will you teach them Bisaya, Tagalog, or just English? English will be their main language for
But
sure.
you'll teach them something. But which one would you though? Which one?
I know, right? It's hard because I speak Bisaya and I speak Tagalog when I vlog, so I don't really know.
I think
The kids
Bisaya.
will be really confused.
I think probably Bisaya.
Yeah, but if I vlog and my kids are there, they're like, what are you talking about, Mom? Are you okay, Mom? Are you crazy? You know, so it's gonna be hard. But I will teach them Bisaya and Tagalog and English,
Okay.
Spanish. Our kids will be multilingual. Just kidding. Ooh, from Lindy.Rondo. What date is your trip back to the Philippines?
We leave here 19th of December and we come back to Adelaide 6th of January.
Yes!
So we were planning 2-3 days in Manila and then we're going to go to Cebu for, I don't know, 10 days maybe, and then hopefully Palawan as well. We haven't organised.
Lely Podcast. Hello, lovebirds. Miss Reyes and Dan, what do you prefer? Having Dan his beard or no beard? I don't care.
She cares. She hates a beard.
No, I don't hate it. I prefer the no beard, but like, you know, I'm not gonna push you away now that you have a beard. Doesn't matter. You look guapo anyway.
Next question, please.
From Lane Sayer 6413. When are we going to Tai Tai?
What's a tie-tie?
Tai Tai. Somewhere in Manila, I'm not sure. To get like really nice cheap clothes. Like it's really expensive. The one I told you about last time, that like, you know, after
We won't be going this trip.
No.
Nah. Unless it's close to Makati.
Is it close to Makati? I don't think so.
And then no.
Ooh, from Chirpy Chichi. Oh my gosh, I have to translate this in English. Since you two are really busy, do you still have time for sexy time?
Did they really ask?
Yeah, she asked that.
Okay. Next question.
I have a conservative man right here, people. Very conservative, this one. From HL Sabino. Hi, Reyes. You're the very first ever YouTuber that I watch. Wow, thank you. That's crazy. Your vlogs are addictive. Especially the one with Danny Boy.
Oh yeah.
And I have no question. It's my birthday today.
Oh,
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wait, babe. There's more. Oh my gosh, 52 already, babe.
No, we're done.
No, not yet. I'm not done yet. I feel like I'm drunk.
3 questions and I'm done.
No, you can't do that. From Lenaj_Janelle28. Who's a better singer?
Me.
Wow.
Next question. And dancer. I got all the talent.
A dancer?
I'm a
No.
better dancer.
I was dancing earlier.
Rose
it was
can't
like-
dance. She's horrible. Horrible dancer.
I was dancing earlier to Michael Jackson's song.
She
And he
like a
was
chicken.
like, "Babe,
Like a chicken.
you dance. You dance really good, babe." That's what he said.
If you haven't met each other, where would you be right now? I like that one. You go first.
Or maybe back in the US. How about you? Maybe, I'm not sure.
Here.
Because I didn't like it. Right.
Yeah.
Where else
I'll
would
be
he be?
right here. That's where I'll be. Right here.
Where? No, babe, answer that.
I will be right here.
Are you gonna be married or what?
Nah, I have heaps of girlfriends.
More than one girlfriend?
More than one.
We babe, don't say that. They won't believe you.
I'm serious. No, I was joking. First of all, I like your accent. I used to work for an Australian telco.
By the way, I love watching your videos. I'd like to ask Dan what made him realize that you are the one Answer that.
She's rich. That's why. She's got so much money, like loaded. That's what did it. That's why I knew. She showed me her bank account, like, oh yep, this will do.
Babe, answer that question. I want to know.
No, I think we've answered these before.
No.
I don't answer a corny question, sorry. What is the best advice you can give to those having a hard time in working?
In working?
Must be at work.
I like my job.
I like my job. If you're having a hard time at work,
Leave.
leave. Life's too short.
Yeah, because if you don't like your job, then you will like, you know, go to
You'll be
work
happy.
and yeah, be miserable.
And you spend 8 hours there a day, so if you don't like your job, find a new job. Simple. But if you like your job and someone's giving you a hard time,
beat their ass.
yeah, beat their ass.
Like this. Boom.
Beat them up. And then if you can't, get someone else to.
Yeah, get your dad,
Brothers.
brother,
Just pay someone.
your cousin.
Anyone. So,
Beat them up.
good advice.
Okay, what came in first? Chicken or egg?
That is like the most stupidest question of the day. That is stupid.
Hey babe, she's
The
just...
egg!
Babe, she's just joking.
I know she
you
is.
You can't say it's a stupid question.
was, yeah.
Okay, this one. From Marie.it.is. Was it true that there was a ghost at the background of your video?
Yeah, the house is haunted. It is. Someone died in this house. We killed them. And now they're coming back and haunting us.
He steals our food every night.
We've been man.
No, you can't say that.
Edit that part.
Someone steals our food every night.
Someone goes,
Especially the chocolates.
every morning we wake up, the chocolate is always gone.
Yeah, I wake up in the morning, it's like, where's the chocolate? Someone stole it.
I saw him once, but I couldn't catch him. So
Yeah,
it's probably him.
there's a ghost.
We got a ghost.
And he eats
Chocolate
our
thief.
food. Chocolate thief.
Anything sweet he takes. Alright. Last question. Last question.
Do you want to try it? Because
No.
it is more spicy than yours. That's cheating.
No, it's not. Last question. All other questions. Thank you very much for everyone for watching. Have a good night. Sleep tight. I'll see you tomorrow.
From Micaela XOXO. Don't you feel homesick? No.
It's gone quick. This year's gone quick.
I know. Okay, this is the question that I think you would like to answer. From Rochelle Rosette 00. Gusto mo rin... no, that's Tagalog. Do you like Dan's plan of getting a bigger house? If yes, are you gonna sell this house?
We would sell.
Yeah, we can't keep 2 houses. I do like the idea. I just need to like the house.
Just too fussy.
No, I'm not fuzzy. I'm just being...
Too fussy.
No.
I'm a handyman. I want to buy a house and fix up. I'm really good at fixing shit.
No, you're not good at
I'm really good.
I like that you're so confident. I'm really good at fixing things. No. No, see, that's what I don't want to do. I don't want to renovate. I want it to be like already nice looking. Like this house. Like why would you change this house to a Chaka one, right? Like...
It'll be good.
What is the reason why you try so hard uploading and filming videos on YouTube? Because you divided your daily time on doing your task and at the same time you're filming. I know it's cliche, but I just want to know because every YouTuber say that. I don't.
She enjoys it.
I do.
That's why.
Yeah, I like doing it. From Cornito Lucille May. During Horn versus Pacquiao's fight, did you watch live? And
No, we didn't.
what is Dan's team? Were you Team Pacquiao or Team Horn?
Horn. I'm Australian.
But I'm Filipino.
There you go.
Pacquiao is way better.
Horn won.
I know. No, I didn't watch. I was working.
We didn't watch it.
I was working and he was here chilling, having a good life while the wife is working hard. We ran out of memory, so I need to wrap this up. I didn't finish mine, so I lost. I can't believe he won, but it's food, so of course. That's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for sending your questions. Thank you, babe. Say thank you to them.
Thank you.
See you guys on the next one.
See you next year.
No, bye.